Back to those earthquakes. Folks, this is our Blood Echo wind map at quakewatch.net. Faint Blood Echo signatures around the Ring of Fire, but with focus truly on the southern portion. We can see this should also be the focus given the outgoing long-wave radiation. Delta-class Earth spot near Peru with heavy negative anomalies along the Indonesia, Papua, and Oceania line. So we've got coronal holes. The solar polar field should be reversing this month. We've got a near 5-planet alignment ongoing over the next 3 days. Blood echoes and OLR focus on the southern Ring of Fire. And folks, here are those actual concentrations. Mini swarm of blood echoes in South America and the bunch of larger rumbles, including blood echoes, to the west. Eyes open. Folks, it is looking like tornadoes are possible tonight in the United States. South central low will create a powerful convergence as the cell deepens, driving simultaneous severe threats, ice storms, and a blizzard. And oddly, the other nation under fire meteorologically today is Iran. How about that? Again, we've got a low deepening, and there will be major flood threats to the southeast while snow takes over much of the Middle East nation at the same time. Let's go to the news. Let's begin far out at an exoplanet called WASP-12b. Unfortunately for this exoplanet, it does not have a bright future, unless you consider how bright it's going to get there as it inches closer and closer to its star before being swallowed. It is on a considerably decaying orbit. Its fate is inevitable. Up next, of the many problems with mainstream cosmology, the lithium abundance problem is not one we've talked about a lot. While in this paper they explore possible solutions, many have tried before, and it's mostly a theoretical game. But this problem is tough because we would need modern-scale petaflop computer modeling to see how plasma cosmology deals with that issue, and it's not like anybody's giving us time on those level computers. In that same vein, the person most responsible for the turn to dark matter when a plasma cosmology option was attempted to be put forth by Alfvén and Peratt decades ago is Vera Rubin. She is so revered in astronomy that she's considered virtually unassailable, and that, to me, is an invitation. She told us all that dark matter was our only search path forward, and in the single greatest point of cosmological irony, they're about to name a telescope after her that could end up putting the final nail in her theory's coffins. The LSST is one of those facilities that will be able to see the low surface brightness universe. You might recall, in yesterday's news we were just talking about this. They are the faint galaxies, the dusty plasma, and what's hiding behind it, the large-scale structure of the galactic connections to the cosmic web as well. The final piece of this puzzle will be seeing that hard-to-see material, and they're going to have to slap the Queen of Dark Matter's name on every discovery it makes. We're off to Mars, where they're noticing a water content in the upper atmosphere unmatched in previous observations. Their data